Hi guys, so today we're going to be making Nigerian fried rice. You can see my mixed vegetables. So typical Nigerian fried rice, you won't see this, you won't see the jack seasoning, you won't see the all-purpose, but you see the maggi cube, you'll see the curry, of course you see the parboiled rice, there's salt. Some people use thyme, not everybody, but that's just for the chicken. And this is beef. Some people use beef, liver, some don't. And this is my chicken. So you could use fish, you could use whatever you want. So the first step obviously is parboiling the chicken, which we're going to do just now. This actually is supposed to be a party Nigerian fried rice. So guys, I'm just going to put in my maggi cube. So, because we have the liver, and liver doesn't take long to boil, I'm going to put in the liver at some point after a while that the chicken has boiled. So now we'll put in our curry. And yes, this is a generous amount of curry. It's like I'm currying the food, but don't worry, you'll see why. And of course our salt, as always. And remember that I have a lot. This is supposed to be so this is supposed to be food for a big occasion, and so that is why I have quite a lot of rice, and I'm going to add enough water in this. So the amount of water you add is based on probably the amount of rice you have, because you're trying to make stock for your rice, and your stock cannot be tasteless, so you also have to, weigh the amount of stuff you put in, your maggi, your salt, your everything. When I grab your hand, I just can see there's onions, there's pepper, and you're good to go. So you just leave it to boil now and wait for it to boil. So guys, I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning. And some of my jack seasoning. And just because I am no longer a typical Nigerian anymore, I am going to add some Italian seasoning. My apologies to the Nigerians who will watch this and say, no, this is not our fried rice. And my favorite, parsley flakes as well. Our meat is boiled, and the ideal thing is to separate the meat from the stock. And at the point where the meat was boiling, that was when I added the liver. So here you see the liver. Okay guys, so at this stage we have drained the stock water, so you won't find any particles, but then again you might find some, depending on the type of strainer you use. And we're now at the stage where we put in the rice so that the rice can cook. And we're going to be frying the liver, and we're going to fry the chicken as well. So stay tuned. Fried chicken and our fried liver. So we're going to the concluding part of this. So this is the part where you add your vegetable a little at a time with your rice. And then you fry. That's literally how it works. So see how our rice turned out? I think it's supposed to be greener than this, but thanks to probably I put too much rice. Then again, be fine. So what you do in situations like this, you season your vegetables so that you end up having your green color. This is basically Nigerian fried rice. Like this is it right here. We are done. Depending on how much vegetable you have, depending on how much rice you have to judge to know when to stop adding rice, when to keep adding, things like that.